Now, let's look at the warehouse, which is located here. From here, you can import different kinds of products, for example, furniture, materials, plants, trees, etc. In our case, we are designing an outdoor space, so let's search for outdoor furniture. By the way, if you're not able to find the product which I am using, for example this sofa set, then you can manually type this name from here. Click on download to load it directly in the SketchUp model. Now, this is the model which we have imported from the warehouse. Let's select it from here and then just place it over here. Second, let's import a pergola. Again, if you cannot find the product, you can just manually type this name. And let's just place it over here.